Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling the L1 button ping setting on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are in the Call of Duty main menus, press the Options button on the PS5, or the Menu button if you have an Xbox controller. This will bring up the Quick menu. Use the right bumper to change tabs until you get to the Settings tab. In Settings, select Controller. In Controller Settings, the L1 button ping setting is near the top. Enabling this will merge lethal and tactical on the same button, and switch the tactical and ping buttons from the current button layout. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Call of Duty tips and tricks.